All right, guys, we got some big discounts at the Greenworks. Your mileage may vary. It just depends on whether the tool is available at your store near you. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. All right, there's a whole bunch of tools to choose from. I'm just going to show you guys a few of them. I'll try to leave all the links down below in the description section of the video to all the tools that are on sale or on the big discount. So it's up to 70% off. All right, so just an example on this mower. You got this one Greenworks mower. This is a 24 volt 5 amp hour battery, so it's a dual battery mower. This one's $259 down from $329, so $70 off on this one. Got this Greenworks pressure cleaner. This one's 600 psi. This was 101 down from 161, so $60 off on this one. The Rocket Light is not, unfortunately, it's not on sale, but this pressure washer is. This is 1900 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer. I already added some of these to the cart, by the way. So this one's a $30, save $30 on this fan Greenworks kit. So it does come with the charger battery, and you do have to add this one at the cart to get the price. This one is $579 down from $789. This one's a 3-piece combo kit. This is a blower, a string trimmer, and a mower with 2 batteries. Actually 3 batteries, a charger, dual port charger. This one's what is this? Outdoor Bluetooth speaker. I need to add this one to the cart. So I'll show you guys what those pricings are. Other than that, here's another Rocket Light, but it's not on sale. So I know there's a few more, but all right. So for now, that's all we got. If I find any more, I will leave the links down below in the description section of the video. Let's go on over to the cart. Let's see what those prices are for those items. So again, the mower is going to be $259. It is a self-propelled mower, so it's going to be a top model. It does come with 2 USB batteries, so those batteries do have USB adapters to charge your phones as well. So $259 for that. The speaker is $199 down from $239. So this one's 24 volt outdoor speaker, portable speaker with 2 amp hour battery and charger. All right, the pressure washer is going to be $109. The fan's going to be $79.99 with that $30 off discounts. And didn't I just add the other mower? I thought I did. Anyways, I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of the video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.